Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we uncover the enchanting role of flowers as we explore their symbolism, beauty, and profound impact across cultures. Flowers have played a significant role in celebrations and traditions throughout human history. From ancient rituals to modern festivities, these delicate blossoms have symbolized love, joy, and reverence across cultures. Flowers have long been used to mark special occasions and enhance the ambience of festive gatherings. In weddings, they adorn venues and bouquets, representing beauty, fertility, and new beginnings. Birthdays, anniversaries, and graduations are celebrated with vibrant floral arrangements, adding a touch of color and freshness to the festivities. In religious and spiritual practices, flowers hold deep symbolism. They are offered as acts of devotion, gratitude, and remembrance. In Hinduism, marigolds are used in religious ceremonies, while in Buddhism, lotus flowers symbolize purity and enlightenment. Christian traditions often feature flowers during Easter, signifying new life and resurrection. Flowers also serve as powerful messengers of emotions and sentiments. Red roses are universally recognized as a symbol of love and passion, while white lilies convey purity and innocence. Different flowers carry unique meanings, allowing individuals to express their feelings without words. Furthermore, the language of flowers, known as florography, has been used to convey secret messages and emotions throughout history. Each bloom and color carries a specific meaning, enabling individuals to communicate their thoughts discreetly. In conclusion, flowers have been integral to celebrations and traditions worldwide. Their beauty, fragrance, and symbolism bring joy, add elegance, and deepen the significance of these special moments in our lives. So, let us continue to embrace the enchanting role of flowers in our celebrations, honoring traditions that connect us to our roots and enrich our experiences. Links for flowers can be found in the description below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.